apparently she had a bug fly up her nose or something. I've never seen a deer do that. I'm glad I had the camera with me. He didn't seem to mind it, though.